Hello and welcome to today's question. So we have the root of x plus root of x minus 9 equals 9, and we're supposed to find the value of x. So you can go ahead and solve this question and let me know your answer in the comments, or you can follow along as I solve. And also make sure that you watch till the end, because we have to prove to show that our value of x is the correct answer. Solution. So we have root of x plus the root of x minus 9 equals 9. So the first thing we can do is to square both sides, okay? So we square both sides. So what we have here is in the form of a plus b all squared, which is equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2ab, where our a is equal to root x and our b is equal to root of x minus 9. So now the left hand side now becomes root x all squared plus root of x minus 9 all squared plus 2 root x minus 9 equals 9 squared will give us 81. Okay, so now we have this 2 will cancel out the square root, and so we have x plus this 2 will cancel out the square root, and so we have x minus 9 plus 2 into the root of x times x minus 9 equals 81. So x plus x will give us 2x minus 9 plus 2 into the square root of x times x will give us x squared minus 9x equals 81. Now we can add 9 to both sides, and when we do that, we have 2x minus 9 plus 9 plus 2 into the square root of x squared minus 9x is equal to 81 plus 9. Minus 9 plus positive 9 will cancel out. So we have 2x plus 2 into the square root of x squared minus 9x equals 90. 81 plus 9 will give us 90. So on the left hand side we can factor out 2. Okay, so we have 2 into bracket x plus the root of x squared minus 9x equals 90. So we can divide both sides by 2. These 2's cancel out. 2 here 1, 2 here is 45. So we have x plus the root of x squared minus 9x equals 45. Now we can subtract x from both sides, and then we have x minus x plus the root of x squared minus 9x equals 45 minus x. These x's cancel out. So we have root x squared minus 9x equals 45 minus x. Now to get rid of the square root on the left hand side, we have to square both sides. So on squaring both sides, this 2 cancels out the square root, and so we have x squared minus 9x equals 45 minus x all squared. Now the right hand side is in the form of a minus b squared, which is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab, where our a is 45 and our b is equal to x. So now we have x squared minus 9x equals 45 squared plus x squared minus 2 times 45 times x. So we have x squared minus 9x equals 45 squared plus x squared minus 90x. X squared will cancel out on both sides. And so what do we have left? We have minus 9x equals 45 squared minus 90x. We can add 90x to both sides. So we have 90x minus 9x equals 45 squared minus 90x plus 90x. And they cancel out. So we have 90x minus 9x equals 45 squared. So now 90x minus 9x will give us 81x equals 45 squared. To find x, we divide through by 81. Now x is equal to 45 squared is the same thing as 45 times 45. And 81 is the same thing as 9 times 9. 9 squared is 81. So we have 9 times 9. So 9 can divide 45. And we have 5. 9 here is 1. 1 here is 5. Because 9 times 5 is 45. So our x is 5 times 5, which is equal to 25. And this is our final answer. So now we're not going to stop here. We're going to go ahead and verify that our value of x is the correct answer. So, question states root of x plus the root of x minus 9 is equal to 9. So now what we need to do is to prove that when we plug in the value of x, what it is going to simplify into at the end should be equal to what we have on the right hand side. So the left hand side should be 9, should eventually simplify to 9, and the right hand side already is 9. That way the value of x is correct. So x is 25, so we'll plug in 25 plus the root of 25 minus 9 equals 9. Now square root of 25 is 5 plus 25 minus 9 will give us 16. So now we have 5 plus root of 16 will give us 4. And now we know that 5 plus 4 is 9. Therefore we see that now our left hand side is equal to our right hand side. Therefore, this simply means that our value of x, which is 25, is the correct answer to this question. So if you learned something new today, make sure that you like this video, share this video. Let me know what you have to say in the comment section about this question and the solution. And if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Take care and bye-bye.